does an OPD day looks like. So this is my setup. Good morning everyone. I know इतना टाइम हो चुका है vlog और long video बनाते हुए, but all of this while you people have been asking for this. So hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Duo, and आज मैं vlog करने वाली हूँ the entire day what I'm going to do. So here I am, just taken just freshen up, as in just brush किया, and अब मैं जा रही हूँ नहाने, ready होती हूँ to start my day. So now I've taken bath and now I'll just get ready for my OPD, and उससे पहले I'll just do my get ready with me kind of a thing. And anytime whenever I apply makeup on my face, before that I do not forget to do my skincare. And the skincare in the morning preferably just includes two steps. One is the serum and second is the sunscreen. These days I'm using the Derma Co's 15% Brightening Ampoule Kit. Now this has vitamin C's most potent form, which is L-Ascorbic Acid. It reduces the dark spots, it brightens up the skin, it gives you a very radiant glow. Now major problem with vitamin C is that it oxidizes very quickly, whereas this unique ampoule formulation, it doesn't. Let me show how it works. Just twist, mix and apply. Each ampoule delivers a fresh mix of ingredients, keeping them stable and potent. Use half the dose every alternate day and finish it within 2 to 3 minutes for maximum results. Also, don't forget to pair it up with the Derma Co's Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel for SPF 50 protection and glow. And if you're also looking for brighter skin in just 7 days, do try this dermatologist tested ampoule kits. Do not forget to use my coupon code DUO20 to get 20% discount, and all the links are mentioned in the description box below. So this is my setup, my chamber. Here I start filling my planner in the morning. So this is the one which I've bought, Big Dreams 2025, and अभी मैं planner fill करूँगी अपना सारा. Okay, so now how does an OPD day looks like? So there are two things in derma what you do. One is the OPD and other is the procedures. तो OPD में what all OPD you see, उसी में you just tend to figure out some cases जिसमें procedures की requirement हो सकती है. For example, case like this, इसमें मैं carbon laser कर रही हूँ. Why? A patient was fed up of a lot of pigmentation on the face, and not just pigmentation but also dullness, tanning, and after, in spite of a lot of treatment since 2-3 years for the medical treatment, creams wala treatment, still the pigmentation wasn't going off. So when you are at a state where you have tried a lot of medicines, a lot of topical creams, then it's the time to scale up. So when you scale up, there comes the role of procedures. So two of my most favorite procedures for tanning and for pigmentation are, first is the laser, which is laser toning, and second is chemical peeling. So these two are my most important procedures which are done. They help give a glow up to your face. They give you a very shiny texture and also uniform skin tone, and reduces the pigmentation. That is what we want. So now here what I'm doing is a carbon laser. अभी मैंने किया. Carbon laser में क्या होता है, हम पहले, there are two steps. First is we apply the carbon, we heat them, and then we burst it. So इससे सारे open pores shrink होते हैं, pigmentation reduce होता है, and that is the whole purpose. Now other most common procedures which are happening in my setup is, the second one which I did is laser hair reduction. तो अभी ये मेल है, इसमें हमने क्या किया था, बियर्ड शेपिंग की थी. तो नीचे बियर्ड है, ऊपर भी बहुत लोगों की आती है, विच इज़ वेरी इरिटेटिंग, जिसकी वजह से एवरी वीक यू हैव टू गो टू सैलून. नाउ नॉट एनी मोर, जस्ट सिंपली बियर्ड शेप कर लो, एंड वहाँ पे बियर्ड ऊपर आएगी ही नहीं, एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर ऊपर की बियर्ड इज़ नेवर रिक्वायर्ड. फिर the other procedures which are very commonly done can be Botox also for removing the wrinkles. So this is all I do, and ये पूरे दिन मेरा 7-7:30 ऐसे ही करते करते हो जाता है. After the OPD, now I have to just freshen up myself and I have to leave for a stand-up comedy. Hello? हाँ?
वापस नहीं होता।
What an event, literally इतना हंसे हैं कि कोई लिमिट ही नहीं and बहुत ही enjoy किया. Now I'm so tired that I would like to sleep. And before I sleep, I've done my skincare routine जिसकी मैं एक full-fledged video बनाऊंगी if you people want. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do not forget to comment down what next videos you want to see on Dr. Duo. Bye.